You know right, assassinate. Airport and my moja nananu shegu edigu on my
Sisia Ghana politics no. Akwa if you do me, I do you. If you do me, I do you. Unim say somewhere ende, I think so, and within the week, and I was say Parliament will resume. But Matisse ya train ako next week. Inti next week enombeba. Na ya tin sem say the eba and say abain ba. Womo adwen ane say e-levy womo beye no mo apase. Na NDC fo nso ka womo de say pan say e-levy si ye be passe. Na nko mo akoa. Pan say e-levy ye be passe nko mo akoa. Nti womo nso hwehwe plan a womo nso be ya e-levy no ye mpasse. Na enu mu na Muntaka Mubarak a woye minority chief whip ema NDC aba bonten ne nsem beto dwa se sisia no omokọ parliament bioma NDC for plan say second deputy minister no ye tu na efri ade so wo parliament ho. Yes, na NDC for say wo mo begina embra so na wo mo de tu no de nkoni eku widi nsem a eye Muntaka kan na ye wadwentra na ya tre o say minority accuses second deputy speaker of joining MPP MPs. Or say minority vows not to engage or say Chairman Sabunsu informally. Or say Parliament resumes January 25th into Senya Mekano somewhere around next 2 weeks and a Parliament will resume. Or say minority chief whip and member of Parliament for Asawase Mohamed Mubarak Muntaka has hinted at plans to have the second deputy speaker Andrew Esiama removed once the House resumes sitting on January 25th, 2022. Also, the member of Parliament for Asawase constituency in a City News interview explained that the second deputy speaker, who is also the MP for Fomena constituency, has not been independent in the discharge of his duties in the current 8th Parliament. He alleged that the Fomena MP has joined the New Patriotic Party MPs in conducting the business of the House, a situation Muntaka Mubarak avers is not in tandem with provisions in the 1992 Constitution. See, if you look at the 1992 Constitution, Article 96B, Article 96 talks about 2 deputy speakers, and the B says that the 2 of them should not come from the same party. When we were electing him, we even nominated him, Andrew Esiama, as the second deputy speaker. We knew that he was independent, so after Andrew Esiama wrote that he wanted to do business with the other side. Now, you look at his relationship with them. It has gone beyond just doing business with them. Muntaka Mubarak explained.
Melodies TV
he attends
on YouTube.
their caucus meetings. He attends all their meetings, all their engagements. He does this with them. Even when they were walking out of the chamber, he walked out with them, even as a second deputy speaker. And we are very concerned because there is reason why the framers of our constitution put it so that the 2 deputy speakers should not come from the same party. So, if he chooses to do anything with them, that is just going beyond just doing business with them. He has simply joined them, and if he joins them, then obviously he has to relinquish his second deputy speaker position. He cannot keep that position and be working and doing everything with them just like any other NPP MP. Now, asem ni neni o say okay neni neni ye read ye ametretrem, don't worry. Mubarak noted he himself will attest to the fact, or any genuine sincere person who wants to speak the truth will attest to the fact that he does everything just like any MPP member of the House. That is not right. This is something I feel very strongly, and I've personally mentioned it to him, and I'm going to bring it up in our caucus meeting, and hopefully if the caucus agrees with me, we may have to come with a motion on the floor to have him relinquish his position as second deputy speaker, and probably if we feel very strongly beyond that, we may have to go for interpretation on that aspect of the constitution. Now, as someone Muntaka can say, Ghana Mbra say, first deputy speaker, any second deputy speaker. Any kwanse wo mu mienu nyina every the same political party. E wo se baako ne party no eye different from the other. Now what share independent candidate in situation na Waba Parliament no enye MPP ticket no de buy wo buy on the ticket of independent. And our car say one MPP for ene beye adwuma. Waka say one MPP for beye adwuma no yes Parliament oba as independent abetumi declare say meni we mu ne beye adwuma meni we mu ne beye adwuma na no de NDC for atsesansem na se. De wo monti ase ne say MPP for ye meeting na papa yi esi ase. MPP for ye party bia na papa yi esi ase. MPP for ye programmer ye MPP MPs pe ene ya na papa yi esi ase. In fact, na nse ya MPP for bufu ya wo mo work it out from
Melodies
Parliament
TV
no.
on
Na papa
YouTube.
nso de echi a work it out. Nti ohun ne said abi ade a papa no wo ye no etia mbra. Waka se woni MPP be ye adwuma na ne interest wo mu meeting na wo se wo kokosha ase. Because wo kokosha ase de a na tre say well mbra na tre say eni kwan say ye fa 2 deputy speakers from the same political party. It is isi ade ye ba beji second deputy speakership no efri nensa. Na se ye gifri nensemu a ho abiom na ye beba no NDC ni. Ti ye ba beji second deputy speakership no. Amosi wo mo o se okoka e wo NDC for meeting ase. Na wo mudu parliament a wo mo be hye motion ase na wo mo aka. And so we wait to see. Let's see how this thing goes. But senior mama wati ase no clearly the NDC also feels well they are also massing up to come and fight for what they believe is right for us Ghanaians. MPP forms so when they say well they are also coming with their strategies. And so let's see. Yeah, the strategy no the ebe konkan yeah the ne the ebedi nkunim. So this is what Muntaka Mubarak has said. Now, yanko read the comment in the Ghana for Eka on this particular issue. Let's see what Ghanaians are saying. Also try what you comment box. What do you think? The NDC for person right and but you see the whole thing is technically the person doesn't belong to MPP, right? So are we saying say well okay, so listen, right? Why are you and this is a very genuine question because me feel say NDC for in same way on person mu raise say who they call embremu a engina and that's the truth because so are you saying the person obviously say bibi ebesi wa parliament biana the person has his right or I mean of course the person has his right to decide, right? Say oba parliament no feel say that be the ekosi meni nje hunti me work it out na ebia MPP for nso work it out and oka so MPP for work it out on also work it out in teacher say what the ho akwa mo a what if I mean independently he also felt say no the na ekoso no uneni nje ho. You see I feel say bibi say mo the courts ana embre ni mo a the second deputy speaker will win and that's the truth. I'm just telling you the head the ABC. Because one thing they say, Parliament ain't to me share Parliament ain't to me share second deputy speaker no on senior one no enya nenyama ewo Parliament ho. For all you know, on no to me akasa well, this is what I was thinking of. It just
Melodies
happened.
TV
Say
on
coincidentally, the na major no MPP form so edging the same way and almost taking me action no. How will you what you say like how are you even going to differentiate? How are you going to judge? Because so maybe a MPP caucus meeting Oshembi. Yes, I mean that one you have a point. But to me I say no she should be and no call. How are you going to prove say he wasn't looking for someone? I mean, who into obi meeting obi to me mbazo but she should be no I can't be a trainer. You understand what I'm saying? So I feel say NDC phone someone or more cano. The crane you could do court in Nimpa. There's no way I Rebecca say in there. Second deputy, I don't know. Maybe they have a strategy they'll use, but I mean, yes, he obviously because you see, Assembly Parliament, either NDC for Mwakwine and MPP for Akwine, and he has that independence or the freedom. Ghana Mrano Amano sa 2 minutes say, "Onanga send decide what the person." Now, so we decided with MPP for now, or say out in the one boy MPP for because he's not deciding with you guys. Maybe when it says idea way, NDC might have a point, but it will be very difficult for them to prove in court. It will be very, very difficult. Everyone knows it will be very, very difficult. And you know, Montreal, your comment box, no more.